Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Now you can go ahead and select Profile. Tap on Edit Profile at the right of your mobile screen. Tap on Name. Now you can remove your current display name and type in a new one as you prefer. You can now tap on Save at the top right of your screen once you are done typing in your new display name. And that's it. This is how you change your current display name on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.